Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Asaf Chaudhary. Today date is 5th October 2021 and today's topic name is this keyword and super keyword in Java. In this topic we will discuss what is a this keyword and what is super keyword in Java and the difference between this keyword and super keyword. In Java there are reserved keywords in Java which have a specific meaning in Java. These keywords cannot be used as a name of the variable and name of the method. In these keywords we will discuss two keywords. First this keyword and second one is super keyword. Let's start with this keyword. This keyword is in Java is used in inheritance and this keyword refers the current object in the method and constructor, and this keyword is also used to eliminate the confusion between instance variable and local variable. It means we will provide the same name for the instance variable and local variable. Then compiler should be confused between instance variable and local variable. Then we will provide the this keyword to the instance variable and compiler should know this dot I is a instance variable and I is local variable. Let's discuss the simple example. Create a class A. In class A, instance variable int I and another instance variable int j. In class A, create a method void set value, and in this method we will pass the argument int I. In this method we will write I is equals to I, and by creating the object of this class A and calling this method set value, Java compiler should confuse this is a local variable or instance variable. Because of this we will provide the this keyword. In method set value we will provide this dot I is equals to I. Then compiler should known this dot I is a instance variable and I is a local variable. Then create another method in class A. In this method name is get value, and in this method we will don't pass any argument. In this method we will write sysout I. By creating the object of class A and calling first set value method and passing the argument int I is equals to 10, then calling the get value method, then we will get the output is 10. If we cannot use this keyword, then compiler should be confused between instance variable and local variable. This thing is also happen in the methods and constructor. Let's discuss the second topic, super keyword in Java. Super keyword it is used to refer the superclass variables methods constructor to the subclass. The super keyword is also used for variable method constructor. Let's discuss the example of super keyword. Create a class A. In this class create write instance variable int I and then another instance variable int j. By creating the constructor of this class A with non-parameterized with non-parameter list, by then create another constructor of this method with parameter with argument int x, and then in this constructor we will provide I is equals to x. Then create the another constructor of this class, and in this constructor we will pass the argument int int x and int y, and in this constructor we will write I is equals to x and j is equals to y. Then create the another class B, which inherit class A. In this class B, we will also provide the instance variable int I and another instance variable int j, and this will, in this subclass we will also provide a constructor with non-parameter list and create another constructor with argument int x, and this constructor will provide int I is equals to x, and then create another constructor with argument int x and int y, and then in this constructor we will write I is equals to x and j is equals to y, and then creating the object of the class B in main method and calling this class B by creating the object of this class, then calling the constructor and provide the passing the arguments, then we will get the values of the I and j. But if we will use this keyword in subclass in constructor, then we will pass the argument to the superclass directly from the subclass without using any. Let's discuss the difference between this keyword and super keyword. This keyword is used in inheritance and it will refer the object of the methods and constructor, and in super keyword is used to refer the variables, methods and constructor of the superclass to the subclass. By using superclass we will use this super keyword to the variable, method and constructor. By using super keyword we will refer the superclass variable in subclass variable, and by providing super keyword in constructor of the subclass, then we will refer the superclass constructor in the subclass, and by providing the super keyword in method of the subclass, then we will refer the superclass method in the subclass. This is a use of super keyword. If we don't give the super keyword in constructor or method, then compiler should automatically add this keyword for us. This is the information about super keyword and this keyword. Thank you.